If it is not liberating you, it is not yoga. Yoga is not an intellectual science. It is an experiential science. Like आपका कौन सा favorite technique जो आप रोज करते हो?
For last 40 years, I'm not breathing the way I'm supposed to breathe. Physically, I have reduced a lot of weight. I was 82 plus when I started your classes, but now it was on 74.
Wow, good.
8 kg I have reduced.
Relationships में क्या improvement? Because I remember आपने fasting के time पे there was a lot of resistance from your family कि ये fasting नहीं करो.
So now when I close my eyes and if I touch my two fingers, I can feel it. I'm touching it and there's something going on in my body. I can feel it. I have no fear of future.
So because that fear is actually the creator of disease. And Corona का fear ही इतना है कि people are losing their immunity.
So classical yoga and regular yoga, you have to feel it, and every day you have a new experience. Every day we have new anubhav.
So I would request Chef Ajay to teach one technique to our viewers now live, so that everybody goes with some learning at the end of the day, right? So namaskar Chef Ajay, and
Namaskar, Sumit ji.
hello and welcome to all of you to this exclusive episode जहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे कुछ abundance hall of miracles में achievers की. Achievers, those people who have joined my 30-day program and have learned classical yoga, cosmic energies के बारे में कुछ सीखा है and have changed their life to a certain level. So in these exclusive videos, I'll be interviewing those people who have actually transformed. And one of my guests today is one of my favorite students, Chef Ajay Kumar. So he's a chef professionally, working over 25 years of experience in hospitality industry. Currently, he's based in New Delhi, working at a five-star hotel as an executive chef. So he has worked extensively around the world, traveling in a lot of countries overseas, and he's got tremendous amount of experience in his profession. One of the things which he was struggling when he joined the course was his health. And that is where Cosmic Abundance Hub, where classical yoga has amazingly transformed him. So we'll be interviewing today him, Chef Ajay Kumar, and let's see what are his takeaways, what are his lessons and learnings, and what are his transformation. तो आइए हम वेलकम करते हैं शेफ अजय को. नमस्कार शेफ अजय, वेलकम टू दिस शो.
Namaskar, Sumit ji.
So yes, I hope I introduced a little bit about you, and that was not complete, but ठीक है. I'm happy that you have seen a lot of transformation, right? So first of all, let's start with the transformation so that our viewers know exactly how Ajay has transformed over the last 30 days.
Yes, Sumit, sure. I would like to say that I have started taking class around 2 months back when Navratri was on. So you called me and said just try this course. So I joined Navratri course for 9 days. And during 9 days, I think there's a lot of transformation I have seen in my body, in my stress level, in my physically, mentally, and spiritually. So there's a few takeaway. There's a few things which I have learned in my Navratri. This was the stress level is down. Is gone down a lot. Like I used to be, I used to fear of the future. So that has tremendously down. And then another thing that I have like physically, I have reduced a lot of weight.
How much
Maybe,
weight?
I was 82 plus when I started your classes, but now when I see recently, it was on 74.
Wow, good.
So it was 8 kg. I have reduced it. If I see my old and new pictures, I can easily justify that. Yes, I can reduce a lot of weight and plus fat in my body. And third thing, I think there is a more of creativity is being developed in my mind. Like I will do something more creative in my in kitchen line or in my like every part of this thing. I want to do something new. That thoughts start coming after some time when I joined the yoga classes.
That's beautiful. Why did you join initially? Let's start from the basic. Why did you join? What was your
Oh,
purpose at that time?
see, if you talk about me about yoga, so I used to do yoga since childhood, but not much. I used to do in and out. Sometime I do, sometime I don't do. So whenever I get time, I like in a month I used to do for 2 months. In a year I used to do for 2 months. Then I leave it. Then I start again when I feel I have to do it. So uh, I did yoga classes when I was around in seventh or eighth standard. So there used to be one ashram in Gol Market, Delhi. So I used join classes there. So some kind of group yoga they used to do plus few neti, jal neti and suti. So I did practices there.
Hmm.
And then yoga is already in my mind. But the thing is, I didn't know that yoga has to be learned from a proper way, has to be learned from a guru. That is much more required. So it was in my blood. Yoga is my blood. But the thing is, I'm not getting any light from anywhere. How can I take it forward? How can I take it further to learn more or to put yoga in my life? So I know you since you joined the ashram. When you came back, then we are in and out. We used to talk a few things. But when your call come and you say join these classes, so I say let's try it. Maybe it will help out. And to be very frank, it is really good, tremendous.
Hmm.
So the learning is amazing. The learning is amazing. That's why yoga is not new for me. But the thing is, the style of learning is new for me.
That's very well said. The platform, the way which we are learning together is a different way than our normal regular sessions on the पहले किए होते हैं. And I get this response from all of my students, Ajay. So what is the difference you find if you have to explain to a lot of viewers जिनको लगता है कि yoga is about physical exercise. एक normal mindset बना है कि yoga is about physical exercise. तो यहाँ पे तो stretches कराएंगे. Every day I get to ask people कि भाई मुझे ये problem है, मुझे वो problem है, ये ठीक होगा. So what is the difference you were able to identify in classical yoga जो हम यहाँ पे सीख रहे हैं Cosmic Abundance Hub में and the regular yoga which might be on a YouTube available?
See, I tell you, two things. There is one yoga teacher used to come to my house to teach yoga to my wife, and she
Okay.
used to learn yoga. So I can compare directly. Today I
Hmm.
used to see him how he's teaching my wife to do the yoga. So he used to come and he used to start say, okay, we will learn this asana today. We will do this thing today, and even like he used to he used to force them to do press it, to do this posture, and continue doing. Like there is no beneficial, no what are the benefit, and what time you should do, and what should you and think about it. सो जो मुझे सीखा यहाँ पर वो ये था कि जब आप योगा कर रहे हैं, जब आप योगा करें तो योगा के अंदर आपकी जो 3 चीजें हैं जो सुमित ने बताई हैं कि माइंड, बॉडी एंड ब्रेथ, इन चीजों को कनेक्ट करना है. तो दैट आई हैव लर्न एंड व्हेनेवर आई वी डू योगा एंड ऑल दैट दिस इज दैट वी ट्राई टू कनेक्ट these 3 elements. So classical yoga and regular yoga, I mean, it looks same to the person who don't know yoga, but it's really different because I have learned it. I know that there is a lots of difference between classical yoga and regular yoga. And first of all, you should have one mentor. You should have one guru who can teach you.
Hmm.
So the energy of the guru really go inside you, and he can inspire to work, inspire to the yoga. So that classical yoga is more about the understanding of the posture, understanding of the kriya, understanding of the pranayam. Then the regular yoga will teach you, okay, do this pranayam, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. They won't tell you what is the benefit, and how, where you concentrate. And classical yoga will learn little, but we master it.
Yeah. That's nice. See, when I even Ajay, when जब मैंने आश्रम में सीखना शुरू किया था classical yoga, and it's like पहले obviously हम टीवी में देखते हैं, हम बाबा रामदेव जी को सुनते हैं, सदगुरु जी के हम वीडियोस देखते हैं, but again I was never having that understanding कि शुरू कहाँ से करना है, एक basic foundation नहीं हो रहा है, तो कभी हम कहीं पे jump कर रहे हैं, कभी कहीं पे jump कर रहे हैं, and that is the reason I found कि I need to create a system जहाँ पे people have an organized step by step learning. and there is somebody to guide, okay, एक step से A से B में जाना है तो क्या problems होंगे, challenges होंगे, and be slow. Most of the time, a lot of students are just jumping from one technique to another technique. So
Absolutely.
maybe how was your anubhava when we were going very slow? हम बहुत कई बार बहुत slow जा रहे हैं and I'm giving you one technique only for 1 week, right? बस आप इसको practice करो, which might needs a lot of patience. So what was your anubhav about this?
Okay, I'm honest on it. The thing is, when we start learning from your side, so I was thinking that I think Sumit is going very slow. I mean, this was in my mind. I mean, because I have seen other teachers who used to talk, okay, this today we will go this posture, tomorrow we will this posture, and that's the way they take it forward. But initially मुझे लगा कि सुमित बहुत slow हमें सिखा रहा है. I don't know. I mean, maybe we can take some advantage from the YouTube, or maybe some. I mean, that's coming in my mind. But after 1 week, after 2 weeks, I understand. And Sumit is on the right track. He's teaching the right way. We should understand small process, small yoga, small pranayam, and master it. Even most of the people don't know how to breathe. First, I mean, we still, Sumit, you still insisting on the breathe properly and the way you should breathe. This thing, I mean, this has to go in our mind. This has to go in our subconscious mind, so we can breathe 24/7, the way yoga teaches us to breathe.
Right. So hope that made a mental shift, right? Because initially जब हम program join करते हैं, we want instant results. कि भाई मुझको ये चाहिए जल्दी से मिल जाए, मेरे को ये technique सिखा दी जाए. So and then जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि no, you have to only focus on one technique for one whole week, it's a subconscious challenge because subconscious will enjoy it for 1 day, 2 days, then it wants something new. So वो अनुभव हुआ आपको, right? Because and then you have to come with the right intention always, right? So yes, so there I see a good transition in you because you were following the techniques, Ajay, and that is why the 30-day challenge is a challenge. It is not just a course here. You were able to feel the challenge लगता था आपको हर रोज जब हम कुछ नया कर रहे हैं. फास्टिंग में एक चैलेंज है जो नवरात्र फास्टिंग हमने किया.
चैलेंजिंग था, मजा आता था, मतलब एक्साइटेड रहते थे कि आज क्या नया सीखेंगे. जैसे आपने 2 टेक्निक सिखाई आज, 2 टेक्निक के बाद अगर हमने कल दूसरी 2 नई टेक्निक नहीं सीखी, मतलब वही पुरानी टेक्निक में काम किया, तो एक साइड लगता था कि यार कुछ तो नया सीखा नहीं है, तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू व्हाट वी डूइंग. सो देन आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस पता लगा कि आप कहते हो कि पहले जो सीखा है उसको मास्टर करो, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ो. तो वी पुट आवर कॉन्शियसनेस टू मास्टर ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस. सो आई मीन टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि मैं कोई ब्रीदिंग सही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, या आई हैव टू कॉन्शियसली थिंक दैट आई हैव टू ब्रीथ. बट नाउ स्लोली आई थिंक मे बी नॉट 24/7, मे बी 10 घंटे में अभी प्रॉपर ब्रीथ करता हूँ, लेकिन अभी 24 घंटे अभी मुझे लगता है नहीं, आई हैव टू स्टिल वर्क. सो जो प्रोसेस सेट है ब्रीथ करने का, अभी तक उस पर मास्टर नहीं हो पाया, तो बाकी चीजें तो भी बहुत दूर है.
So yes, I think somewhere personally it made me a lot of humbleness towards yoga. So पहले जो मेरे before going to ashram, it was a lot of arrogance. I was using yoga as a tool and a technique to get something. But now I use yoga as a lifestyle. So I know I will get something, but it's more than getting. It's about giving to yoga first. The time, money, and energy, the consciousness which I talked, the 3 principles. You have to start investing. So what was your take on that? How much time are you giving on a daily basis to the yoga practices now?
So see, now the lockdown period is going on, so I am putting more time into it. Maybe I wake up around 4:30 in the morning, and I do my normal classical yoga practice around from 4:30 till 6:30. Till the time your classes start, then we join your classes. Then we there for 9 till 9 a.m. Then if I get time, most of the time I do in the evening, maybe 6-7 o'clock. I put maybe 45 minutes, 1 hour for the remaining practice, and like small things which you told us that we are doing. So approximately 4 hours I'm putting right now, and I have to adjust my routine when lockdown is over. So then I'll have to do something on it. How can I put more time into it? But at least 2-3 hours I'll put it for sure.
Yeah, and that's the nice thing, because right now we are in a lockdown situation. We have more time to invest. But again, once you are in a regular life, you can compress these things to 30 minutes to 1 hour also, because by the time you will be mastered of everything, the basics will be covered. So that's nice. One thing Ajay, which I want you to, let's say if you have to rate from 1 to 10, how hard were the practices I was teaching? 1 being very easy, 10 being the hardest.
If I have to say, I mean that the way you teaching us is not tough at all. You start our practice from zero.
Hmm.
Okay.
It's very
So
easy.
if you say I have to rate it, I have to put in minus.
That's a good answer. Because a lot of people have this challenge in mind कि पता नहीं क्या करवाएंगे आज, ये सिर के बल उल्टा कर देंगे, हाथों पैरों को यहाँ से खिंचवाएंगे तो हमें दर्द होगा. And we have a lot of assumptions about yoga because जो हमने videos में देखा है, it's more about showcasing yoga postures and not really going into their consciousness.
Consciousness, I mean, when I learn from you, I start feeling consciousness when I'm doing any practices. Because when I connect myself to breathe, to mind, and to body, I mean, that experience is itself very, 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 very nice. I mean, I can't explain in words. When you really feel it, when you are nowhere, I mean, just if you whoever is watching this video, just combine these three elements, and you'll reach another level of yoga. Is the first step. And I mean, that's nothing much.
Yeah, because it's about, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि अनुभव, right? What have you understood of the word anubhava? Let's say a lot of people will say it as English as an experience. So how do you now distinguish after studying with me for over 35? Like, आपने 25 से join किया था, now it's 10th of May. So it's more than 30 plus day for you already. And you have joined the second batch also. So how do you define that anubhava now? If Ajay has to define anubhava, what is that?
Anubhava, you can't express in words. You have to feel it. That's the only thing I can say. You have to feel it. I can't say it's experience. You have to feel it.
तो बेसिक अनुभव तो आपको खुद ही अनुभव करना पड़ेगा, और जब तक आप नहीं करोगे आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. एंड इफ यू आर जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वर, किसी को मैं अजय योगा कर रहा है, मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ, एंड आई थिंक हाँ ऐसा हो रहा होगा, ऐसा हो रहा होगा. It's beyond imagination, right?
And it's like anubhava is like if you do the same posture today and mind three things, and you do the same posture tomorrow, it's going to be different anubhav tomorrow. So I mean, anubhav, I cannot express in words. You have to feel it, and every day you have a new experience. Every day we have new anubhav. So that's why the yoga is abundance.
It's about infinite, वो हर रोज तो evolve हो रहे हैं ना. It's like every day we are growing into the same posture. So that is why when I teach the same technique to every person every day, it's like so many people are joining back again and again my workshops, which I'm giving even free of cost on every Saturday when I'm doing a live webinar. And so many people I'm seeing coming back and I'm teaching the same thing. But because they're getting a new anubhava, their experience is different, that's why they're coming back again and again.
I think every time they receive something new as an experience. I think I mean, if I have to say, their अनुभव is different every time. हमेशा उनको जो अनुभव है वो अलग तरीके से रिसीव करते होंगे. So even if a small practices of breathing and all. So I mean, I do breathing when I'm driving. I mean, now I have to consciously breathing when I'm driving. So whenever I have to breathe, the thing is, I'm still struggling to breathe properly 24/7. I mean, it's not yet, because for last 40 years, I'm not breathing the way I'm supposed to breathe. And I don't expect that it should happen in 1 month. So I think it will take some time, but yes, my time is slowly growing. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Now I'm reached the level of 10 hours, like every day, 10 hours breathe constantly and in a way it's supposed to be.
What was your time, Ajay? What was your time when you started, like breathing time जो हम record करते हैं शुरू में?
It was around 4.5. Now I have reached around
per breath. Like breathing in was 4.5, and breathing out was 4.5.
Yeah.
And what is
now,
your point after 30?
Now if I normally do it, it reaches around easily 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, easily 7
seconds breathe in, 7 seconds breathe out. That means around 14 to 15 seconds you're making one complete breath.
One breath, absolutely. And even if I'm watching time somewhere, so I'll try that. How can I take long time to breathe? So I mean 6, 7 reach
very good. So this was my actually the next question. कि आपने okay सेशन में आ रहे हो, वी आर हैविंग 1.5 to 2 hour लॉन्ग सेशंस जहाँ पे हम बहुत इंटेंसिव डिस्कशंस भी कर रहे हैं, and we're trying to understand the psychology and the philosophy behind yoga than just the physical exercise, right? So where have you been able to apply these principles of yogic principles into your life other than just, let's say, 2 hours of exercise in morning?
I think yoga is everywhere. I think yoga is everywhere. Every part of life, every part of your working, yoga is everywhere. I mean, you can apply yoga everywhere. If if you're going back to the offices, and if you're stressed out, you can do some practices and just take out the stress. And if you want to like take a rest, if you want to concentrate somewhere, yoga comes in between. I mean, yoga is everywhere. To be very frank, when you sleep, you go somewhere else. Then yoga comes. If you're talking to your wife, talking to your children, you put your 100% concentrate to them. So that's also yoga.
So these were the areas you were able to identify. Yeah, comes to my next thing. Okay, relationships में क्या improvement रहा? Because when I talk about yoga, I talk it from a 24/7 lifestyle, right? That is how I educate people, and not just a 2 hour or 1 hour of yoga practice in morning. It has to come in your health, it has to come in your wealth, and it has to come in your prosperity and relationships also. So that is where हम abundance की बात कर रहे हैं Cosmic Abundance Hub में. So आपने कौन-कौन से areas पे अपनी life के you have noticed? We would like to have our viewers some precise examples आप दो कि okay, this is an improvement I've seen only in last 30 to 40 days.
Relationship with family, correct?
How it is evolved, if you have to like give 1 or 2 incidences also, how has it, because I remember आपने fasting के time पे there was a lot of resistance from your family कि ये fasting नहीं करो, right? Maybe that could be the starting point.
That could, yeah, this going to my starting point when I started fasting under your guidance. So when I had a fruit for 3 days and 3 days water fasting, so I got weak. I stressed. I drained out so much of fat in my body. So my wife, she used to keep she used to keep telling me like eat something, eat something. I said no, I'm in the process. So I have to. I don't want to. So I mean that time she used to force me. Then you'll have to eat, otherwise you are already weak and you get weaker and you're not going, and the stress, and you see your face from past to now, and I mean everything is gone. The glow is gone. I can see the black heads under your heads and all that. So many things. I said leave it. I'm in a process right now. I'll gain weight when I come back, when I finish this process. So slowly what happened, they understood the concept, and I show them, I mean the transformation me. I compare myself to herself, that these are the changes. Like you see your skin, you see my skin, you see your glow, you see my glow. And initially, now what happens, she used to understand. She also want to understand like how we can take it forward. She's still again, I mean, right now she's not in favor of doing fasting again, but I'm doing it because she know कि मुझे करना ही करना है ये. So I mean, in every way, if I talk about my son, so what happened? I start teaching them few things which I think may be related to yoga. That you try to put concentrate, how to concentrate and how to concentrate. में ये था कि जो आपसे मैंने सीखा था वो मैंने सिखाने की कोशिश की कि आपको कंसंट्रेट करना है तो ब्रीथ पे कंसंट्रेट करो और टारगेट बनाओ. जो आपने बताया वो मैंने उसको बताया. तो आई थिंक नॉट 100%, but yeah, if he can do 2 or 3%, that will enough for me.
So good, because you're trying now to take the same philosophy of energies into your family, because वो बहुत जरूरी है. हमने सेशंस में बारे में बहुत बात किया है कि आप खुद अकेले कोई करोगे, आपका फैमिली वो चीज नहीं कर रहा है, तो there is an energy clash, है ना? So yes, good, you have already started doing that, and I'm happy that it is working out for you. This is a step to go ahead. Yeah. So which is your favorite technique now? Let's come on to this question. This is like आपका कौन सा favorite technique जो आप रोज करते हो and which is helping you a lot, and you're like अब तो ये मैंने रोज करना है. ऐसा कोई technique आया? Because I've taught so many techniques in the last 40 days to you.
I think जो मेरा खुद का वो है कि I am more into pranayam, which still have to learn it. So I have learned 2 pranayam from you. But if you talk about the favorite one, I think favorite one जो मेरे लिए भी है और मुझे लगता है सबके लिए होगा, वो होगा हैंड शेकिंग. which can be done anytime, anywhere, and any situations.
So
I
the
mean,
aura
this is
cleansing technique.
the aura cleansing technique. Is I mean, this is the basic, and this is they put you another level. I mean, you can feel you can start feeling your vibration. This is the initially stage of getting experience from yoga.
What
When
was
you
your
shake,
first experience अजय? पहली बार आपने कब किया था?
आपके साथ ही किया था मैंने.
So we first time we did on like 25th March के around जब हमारा session शुरू हुआ था. Yeah.
Yes, the
What
first
was
time
the
when
first देखा याद है आपको कुछ? You remember that first feeling of the energy?
it
Compare
was
the left side with the right side and then see the difference.
it was not first day. I mean, I don't want to make lie on it. It was not first day, but yes, I was feeling when I was feeling vibration in my hand. So I didn't feel like a vibration. It was my I said the blood is going in my hand, so that's why I'm feeling it. So that was my first experience. And then when I have after 3-4 days when I understand it, I mean, yoga is more understanding as well. Understanding is very, very important. So when I understand what is how you feel a vibration, how you feel energy, then it's going to my mind. Okay, this is your core energy. This vibration is called energy. This vibration will take you on the level. So now, even nowadays, when I close my eyes and if I touch my two fingers, I can feel it. I'm touching it, and there's something going on in my body. I can feel it. So I have that level in that short period, but I think there's a much more to learn.
Absolutely. So that's what we say अनुभव, right? पहले दिन feel भी नहीं होगा ज़्यादा because हमने कभी उतना consciousness body में डाला ही नहीं है. And it's all about putting in that consciousness into different areas, right? How is your experience with cosmic breathing now? Let's say, because it's very famous in our group, everybody is like, I'm doing cosmic breathing. How do you distinguish cosmic breathing techniques, which we are learning in classical yoga, compared to the regular deep breathing now? What is Ajay's take on it?
Okay, what I have developed something different. I mean, under your guidance, without leaving your concept. So I started something new. The thing is, when normal breathing is you fully fill up your lungs and you stretch out, breathe out. This is normal breathing. But when you do cosmic breathing, you have to feel the entire body. That the body, the prana or the oxygen is going to your body. What I have started, I have like when I do breathing, what is my style of doing breathing? When I do breathing, I put 3 or 4 breathing for my legs first. Like when I sit, I cannot concentrate my entire body because my body is full of so many things. So what I do, I 4 or 5 deep breathing. I concentrate on my legs, maybe toes. Then I come on knees. Then I come at thigh. Then my waist. Then body. And that slowly I cover the entire body. So when I breathe, I feel like the energy is going to my legs, the energy going to my knees, the energy going to my lungs, energy going to my body, the different part, fingers and everywhere. So that's I have put a stoppage. Okay, first 3-4 breathing into this part, 4-5 breathing into.
Yeah. So we have these techniques. There are so many techniques, right? It's all about bringing that cosmic consciousness. So have you been able to bring that cosmic consciousness into your practices or not?
See, if I do for 1 hour, so when I do breathing, so it will come, but it takes some time. I don't say it's come that way, but it will take some time. You have to feel it. Again, I'm telling you, this is not something to explain. You have to feel it. So, I mean, I have shared you. I think in one fine day when you say there is so much of vibration I was feeling in the mind, in my hand. So what should I do? So you guide me in something that you have to do this one, and so that time I understand like what is. I mean that time the vibration was so high in your body, and I can feel it that it's coming from top to my head.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, Ajay, so 3 things which you would, which have transformed in your life if you have to just categorize, okay, these are the 3 things which have like, I've noticed, has really transformed tremendously and they were not expected when you joined the program. Has there been any 3 things like this?
I think if I have to categorize one, so as a physical one, I have reduced my weight.
Yeah.
And as a
You did not
mentally,
expect that?
it was no, it was not expected. It was not
Mhm.
expected that much. It was expected maybe 1 or 2 kg, but not. It was not expected that much.
8 kgs were not expected. Good.
Yeah, and in very small period, very small period. And another thing, if you talk about mentally, so I think I am releasing. I know how to release stress, and what should I do when I feel stress. I think this is the final thing in my mind is, I think I have no fear of future.
Mm.
That has slowly going out. Like if I think something, यार अगर मैं ऐसे करूँगा तो कैसे हो जाएगा, so that thing is slowly going out. And plus one more, you asked what I'm give one more, is creativity has been increased. Like I want to do
Mm.
something new, I want to create something new, I want to do apart from my regular time, I want to do something else, which my mind is always making sound, you have to do something new, something new.
Perfect, perfect. That's an amazing transformation I've got from you, Ajay, and I'm really proud that you were able to get over the fears. I've told this to you personally also because that fear is actually the creator of diseases. Because fear से stress develop होता है, and stress से आपका immunity weak होता है, which is actually creating so many diseases in so many people of body. And especially जब हम जैसे कोरोना आ गया, कोरोना का fear ही इतना है कि people are losing their immunity. So yes,
I, I have seen it. I mean, I have seen it with my colleagues. All they are scared like anything. They're scared like they corona like anything. Okay, यार क्या हो जाएगा, कैसे हो जाएगा, कैसे ना. I feel so confident. यार, I know my lungs is fine. If this comes to me, die here. Corona comes to my body, die.
Exactly, because now you've understood a little bit of science of your body, which classical yoga is the purpose is to understand the science how your body works, and not just to learn a few techniques and then be dependent again. If it is not liberating you, it is not yoga. So all those who are watching this, remember this: yoga, as I always say to all my students, yoga is not an intellectual science. It is an experiential science. You have to undergo that transformation experience, and that has to go deep into your cellular level to get the benefit. Otherwise, physical benefits तो हमको होता ही हैं. We lose weight, then we will gain the weight. But the idea is that anubhava of transformation stays with us. Right, Ajay?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
There's a few things like to share. Like during fasting, we learn so many things. Like in fasting, we need energy. Correct.
Mm.
And I think under your guidance, we learned the different energy source rather than the food. So we know how to take energy from the water, how to take energy from the sun, even how to take energy from the plants. This is something, I mean, amazingly taught by you, the how to take energy from a plant and how to take energy from the sun. You stand in the sun and you pray. I mean, we do jal tarpan every day to sun, and just doing it.
Yeah.
पानी चला दिया
Without
हमने.
consciousness.
But without now, when I stand there, I I pray something. I ask something from the sun. When I'm putting water, then I know I'm getting energy. I know I'm giving him giving the sun something. I want something from him. So that's something which I'm still learning, still putting my consciousness. कुछ तो इसका फायदा हो.
And it will develop over time. It will develop every day, like the 3R principle जो मैं बताता हूँ, which I learned in the ashram. The 3R: regularity, repetition, and rhythm.
And rhythm.
Have you been seeing it last 30 days by repeating the same thing? It might be very simple, but it has so much of power. And especially the Namaskar Mudra, when I'm teaching to people, it's something very new for Indians, right? कि Namaskar का meaning भी हो सकता है, and there could be an energy circuit in our body, and we can energize our aura. How was your experience about that? But it has so much of power. And especially the Namaskar Mudra, when I'm teaching to people, it's something very new for Indians, right? कि Namaskar का meaning भी हो सकता है, and there could be an energy circuit in our body, and we can energize our aura. How was your experience about that?
Obviously, I mean, people don't have much of knowledge about the science behind yoga. They see in yoga as a physical activity, but is more than that. And if we do something to make them understand what is the science behind yoga, that would be great. People will more into yoga.
Perfect, perfect. Great, Ajay. It was really, really nice talking to you. Anything you would like to, at the end, to tell our audience, people who are viewing us?
Yes, I mean, the whoever you want to do yoga, you want to make your life healthier, so and super duper healthy and amazingly great life, I think yoga is a way to take it forward. And in yoga, if you can learn classical yoga, that is more than that. I mean, classical yoga is something you never experience. And I should recommend you please experience classical yoga. And I have transformed my life, my body, my way of thinking in just 30 days. And you can do it much more quicker if you want.
All right. That's very, very nice, Ajay. Would you like to teach our audience some technique? Your favorite technique? Because I want every student to be in a capacity to teach because I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people live a super healthy lifestyle. And Sumit alone cannot teach them. And I want to
So
support all my
I,
students first with case studies like this, like Ajay has transformed. So those of you who are in my community already, and those of you who would like to join the community and be a part of a mega community and transform your life in just 30 days, yes, you're invited and be a part of the community. Join our online coaching programs where I, with other people like Ajay, have been working very hard to help people, each other grow. Because yoga, as my guru says, Dr. Ananda says, let let's grow and glow in yoga together. It's all about and even सबका साथ सबका विकास as we say because and that is the yogic philosophy कि हम सब आपस में साथ में बढ़े, right? And that's where we have been living. So I would request Chef Ajay to teach one technique to our viewers now live so that everybody goes with some learning at the end of the day, right?
so I can teach you one small part of the aura cleansing and all. So first we have to close your we have put in a namaste position, and
Okay.
we have to align all our chakra. We have 7 chakra in the body, and we have to make a positive awareness towards the body that the positiveness is going on, and we are circulating our positive energy. So I'm going to teach the aura cleansing. So first of all, you have to start with the right hand. Right hand, you have to see your finger. Connect yourself with the fingers that you have 30, you have around 15 joints in your finger, and start shaking at a capacity. Then when it starts slow, and slowly you go further, fast, and don't worry, and nothing going to happen. Your bones will not break down, and
Very good.
keep breathing, keep connected, and keep shaking. The three things: keep breathing, keep connecting, keep shaking, and shaking. After maybe 1 minute, you have to slow it down, and you have to place it in your thigh and feel the energy from your left hand and from your right hand. And I'm sure if you feel it, then you know, if you feel the vibration, you're on the right way. Then you close your eyes, feel it, then you can start with the left hand. Same thing you have to do: connect, breathe, and shake.
Look at
So
your fingers. Look at your fingers carefully. Connect your
keep your
mind.
finger, you can
The
only
triangle which
see.
we have learned, body, mind, breath, connect with it and shake your left hand also.
Yeah, then you it should be that shaking that you can't see your fingers. It just you can see the emotions. So you breathe, and if you think you're tired, you slow it down. I have practiced for a long time, so I can do for longer time. So if you
Just
keep
a
doing it,
precaution for those who are having high blood pressure or some heart blockages. Just go a little gently, a little slowly, so you're not, हम सांस चढ़ नहीं रहा है हमारा, and we're a little gently. Okay. Yes,
so now you can slow it down, and you can the energy transformation in both the hand. So
we will.
you can feel the vibration is going to your finger and your forearms, and you can feel it, you can take it forward. So there's a 2 more step.
Thank
Will
you for introducing us to the technique, and I think you will become a good teacher very soon. So maybe you can shift your profession very soon.
Your
Okay.
blessing.
It's all about learning and sharing, and I'm happy that Ajay has transformed his life through classical yoga. And I'm just a medium, guys, to all of you. I've got over 200 plus people already in my community. And yes, my mission is to help 100,000 people in 2020. So if you're interested, if you're struggling with anything in life, if health is a challenge for you, if you've tried everything in your life, if your relationships are not working, there was a solution to it. I found it after leaving my corporate job when I went from an IT company to an ashram, and I realized that the ancient yogis were so meticulous in understanding the cosmic energies and transforming their lives. And if you're interested, there is a solution. Many more people like Ajay I'll be interviewing shortly, and I'll be uploading videos on YouTube. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment below. What is your takeaway from this session? Okay, your three takeaway from whatever Ajay discussed. There should be at least three things you have learned. So type in the comment box below, and we would love to respond back. And you're invited for my weekly free session and you can go to my website www.sumitupreti.com and book your session, a free session. All right, thank you, Chef Ajay, a lot for your time, and we'll hope we are already working in how we can expand the community and help reach the science to more and more people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaskar.